Hi, this is Elliot with Kixie, and today we're going to talk about how to configure your audio settings. Now, for high-quality audio calls, we always recommend a wired headset. So today we've got this plugged in via USB, and let's go into our Kixie audio settings to make sure everything is working properly. In your Kixie Power Call, click on the menu button at the top, click on Settings, scroll down and click on Audio. First, check that your microphone is set to the proper device, whether that's a headset or any other device. You'll know that it is working because, of course, the input level will be lit up green whenever you speak into the mic. If you aren't seeing the input levels light up in green when you talk into your microphone, there's a good chance that it could be muted, it could be not properly connected to your computer, or you might need to go into your operating system's audio settings and configure that properly. Next are the ringtone settings. This is the audio device that the ringtone will sound out of when you're receiving a call. So sometimes you might want this to be a separate set of speakers, not just your headphones, so you can hear it if you're outside of the room, or it can be whatever is most convenient for you. You can press the test ringtone button just to hear it for yourself and to double check that it's working properly. Next is your speaker settings. This is the most important setting to make sure that you're hearing your call audio properly. So make sure that it's selected to the proper audio, whether that is your headset. We don't recommend selecting your built-in laptop speakers because that will often have the effect of echoing back into your microphone, and the caller on the other end will hear either a tinny sound or an echoing sound. Whenever possible, we really highly recommend that you use a headset or headphones or any other audio device that separates it from the microphone. In this case, I'm using a headset, I'll select that here. And I can use the test speaker button to make sure that the speaker works. Again, you'll see it light up properly, and if it doesn't light up, it could not be connected to your computer properly. There could be some hardware issue with the speaker itself, and you can look into that as well in your operating settings. Next are the voice processing settings. Automatic gain is a good feature to turn on if callers are telling you that you're coming in too quietly. Automatic gain will boost the level of your microphone and make sure that you're heard loud and clear. Echo cancellation is another really good feature to have on. You'd want to turn that on if you are in an echoey environment, if your audio is causing feedback back on the caller. That feature will normalize the audio and prevent any issues there. And finally, noise cancellation is an option that I almost always have on. Noise cancellation will help you if you are in a loud environment to make sure that any other audio is not being picked up by your microphone. And that covers it for Kixie audio settings. If you have other more advanced problems with your audio, for example, not hearing the other end properly or having trouble with your microphone, feel free to contact us at Kixie Support and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching.